Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in another video that I'm working on right now, I have to seal something up with silicone. And I tried this multiple times and I realised that I was just doing it incorrectly. So I've been shown how to do it properly and I've done a little bit of research myself, and I definitely feel like it's worth sharing this tip with you guys as well, just in case if someone doesn't know how to do this, just like myself. Right, so let's go take a look. Okay, so first things first, you want to grab your tube of silicone, and this bit's really important. So when you cut the end off, you want to make sure that you're cutting a notch right here. And that's pretty much it. So before we get started, you're going to need a few extra things, one of which being a glove, and the other one being some washing up liquid. And now, we just put our silicone into the gun, and you've got to make sure that the notch is really comfortable for you. So I usually have it parallel. So that means I can just come in here, have the notch directly into the gap that I want to fill, and I can just keep going around like so. Right, so let's lay our bead of silicone. There we go. Tap this part to release pressure. And now we've got our bead of silicone, you want to grab your washing up liquid with your glove and just put a little bit onto your finger. This way it doesn't stick to you, and you're going to push it into the gaps to make a really nice seal. And now we can leave that to dry to clean it up. So now that's dry, that is created a really nice seal. And if I plug this in, this starts belting out the air. With that being said, that does bring me to the end of the video. And this tip actually really helped me with this little build process. And I really hope that this has helped someone else too. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.